couple viewers of the previous video informed me that originally the cam gear had nylon teeth, and I'll put up an example of what that looks like. And then I'll put up an example of one that the nylon teeth have started to wear away. Of course, on my gear, I had no idea that they had nylon teeth because they were completely worn off and had gotten into the oil pan and into the oil pickup tube. And while I was doing some research on the nylon teeth, I ran across a couple of pictures that looked exactly like my pickup tube, where it had been full of nylon teeth. Alright, this one goes installed properly. I just think how the fitting is taken out on this red, so marked on these photographs. Both sides are built. One side sees the other is more built, the other is built. Yeah, fixing orientation. Again, part of those sides are built. It looks like the other side of the forward is more built than the side facing the fourth is not. Alright, so this is the fixing orientation. The front has a small L, and basically the crank it has a water. So I can see there's orientation just like that. Turn what I'm seeing here. Alright, so it's one great. Maybe both sides are double, and this one is equal double. Yeah, the number 8 cylinder, the one that I had no compression on, it just slid right out. It's as if the cylinder's never even been used. And oh yeah, look at that. It's even broken here. The oil rings are broken. Yep, in several places. And then of course, the top of the piston here is just eroded. And the second compression ring is also broken. So that's what all the debris in the cylinder was. So we'll see if this cylinder is still usable. Okay, all the cylinders have typical wear. You know, some wear on the sides from the piston going up and down. I can't feel any grooves on cylinders 1 through 7, but over here on 8's the one that's in the big question. So it's hard to see on camera, but there's a groove going down the side. I can barely feel it. I'm sure it can be machined out. The question is, and there's another groove on the top here. The question is, and surprisingly, even though there was a bunch of metal parts in there, metal pieces like parts of the ring and parts of the piston that had deteriorated, there's not a lot of scratches. It's just that groove, a couple of grooves. So the big question is, this engine has been rebuilt before, so I'm not sure how how the cylinders were ground before, if there's room enough to grind out these grooves again. So this cylinder might need to be sleeved. I hope we have enough room to grind out, to machine these grooves away without sleeving the cylinder. Well, that'll be it for now.